Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about do-while loop in Java. In our last class, we clearly discussed about while loop. So we need the basics, how loop is executed and what's the need of loop in our last class. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, see, just refresh the concepts. Loop is used if you want to execute a block of code repeatedly, multiple times, we go with loops. Similarly, in our last class when we discussed while loop, similarly do-while loop is also used to execute a block of code multiple times, we go with the do-while loop. First we are going to understand the execution flow of do-while loop, then we are going to understand what's the difference between while loop and do-while loop. So the first conditions are loop needs three steps: initialize the variable, condition, then update the variable. Let's understand the example. Int I is equal to 1. We initialized the variable to value 1. Then do while. Do open brackets, closed brackets. This is what the body of whatever the code we have written in between open brackets and closed brackets. This we call it as a body of the do while loop. So how it is going to execute? First it will go into the loop. It will go into the body of the do while loop. First it starts executing the statements. System.out.println of I means it is going to display 1. Then increment I is equal to I plus 1. Then check the condition. While I less than 5. Now I value is 2. 2 less than 5. Yes, condition is true. Again execute the body. So go again. System.out.println of I means 2. Our output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I is equal to 5, condition fails. So don't execute the body, come out of the body. Execution continues with the remaining statements outside the loop. System.out.println of outside loop. This is going to be executed. So our output is 1, 2, 3, 4, then outside loop. See, what's the difference? What's the difference? In our last class we discussed about while loop and this is do while loop. What's the difference between while loop and do while loop? See, in our last class when we discussed about the while loop, while check the condition. If condition satisfies, then execute the body. Again check the condition, satisfies, execute the body. Again check the condition, satisfies, execute the body. If condition fails, don't execute the body. See, initially if the condition fails, it will never go into the while loop. But this is not the case in do while loop. In do while loop, first it will execute the body, then check the condition. Means at least one time the body of the code will be executed. So if you are in a situation to execute something at least one time, then we go with the do while loop. So do while loop, the body of the do while loop is executed at least once. That is the point you have to understand. And let's check the example. Take I is equal to 5. 5 less than 5, it's false. But still this body is going to be executed one time because the do while loop executes from first starts from here, execute the body, then check the condition. So it will display 5, increment I is equal to I plus 1 means 5 plus 1 which is 6, 6 less than 5 which is false, it will come out of the loop. Even though the initial variable condition is not satisfying the condition, still the body is going to be executed one time. So this is how do while loop is going to be executed. Hope you understand the difference between while and do while. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.